Hey your people, what is up and welcome to my new tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how I got scripts for my Fish It game for Roblox absolutely free, safe and online without downloading any modded APKs or any software. Guys, you can do it with your Android or your iOS devices. And for start, let's go to Google or any browser you have and navigate to this website. It's called bloxforge.com. You will find it easily. Click on browse all scripts and then let's see. There we go, click on Fish It, and guys, it will load up real quick like this, and then we will have to enter our Roblox user ID. Guys, if you don't know how to find your Roblox user ID, just click here how to find your user ID, or let me quickly show you. So go to your browser, go to your roblox.com and just go to your profile like this and copy your profile URL. Why? Because in your profile URL there is your user ID, these numbers. So when you copy your profile URL, let's get back to our tool, just click on this button and it will automatically paste only this user ID. So guys, just click connect account. When you paste your user ID, it will start fetching your Roblox profile and you should get this message: user found and your name and your avatar. There we go, guys, we're successfully connected. And now, really important step, guys. We cannot import scripts without executor, but don't worry because we can import executor as well. So if you already have Delta executor, just make sure to select yes. If you already have a different executor, just make sure to select I already have a different executor. So I currently have no, so I will import Delta executor, click yes. And guys, then it's the main step where we will select our additional scripts. So I will select Forge Hub, Nikius, Overflow, Soluna, and Noctis Hub, guys. These 5 scripts for me, you can select literally whatever you like. You can Google what they have, I mean which options. So click continue when you select this. It will start connecting like this. And guys, make sure to subscribe to my channel in order to stay updated with all these kind of reviews and tutorials, because I'll record it more. So guys, nice, there we go, API is connected as you can see, and we got our activation key, guys, but it's unrevealed. So also we got our ready 5 script selected, and now we will have to click on this I'm not a robot because there is a lot of malicious bot attempts. So just click I'm not a robot, guys, and we should get verified real quick. So there we go, look at this, guys, verification successful. Thank you for passing the bot check, our user ID connected and our key connected. There we go. Now we will open our Roblox and we will test is it actually working. Guys, I'm going to open Fish Game and then we will see is it actually working or not. So let me rotate my phone. We should receive our Delta executor along 5 scripts. So there we go. Look at this. Our Delta executor is there, guys. It's fully activated. And now let's see our scripts. So Overflow, Forge Hub, Nikius, Noctis and Soluna. Guys, we got all 5 as we selected. So we'll get to the edge here and we can click again there and click on Noctis, for example. And guys, let's see, is it actually working? Let's test this script. So there we go. Look at this, guys. We got this script loaded and we got a lot of options. Guys, look at this fishing mod. We can literally do this auto fishing, auto fix fishing. Look at this, guys. It's automatically fishing. Look at this. Guys, it works amazing. I'm so excited because it actually worked. Bloxforge.com is absolutely free and safe website where you can get all those scripts for free and online. So that's pretty much it, guys, for this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed and found it helpful. If you do, make sure to like this video, to comment down below and to subscribe to my channel. And once again, thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.